Alright, whoa. Alright, good day. I am heading on a little trip today in Jamaica. I feel like I haven't been on one of these trips in a long time, since like last year, August, July, when my family was here in Jamaica. I'm heading out today to go to Spanish Bridge and Blue Hole in Ochi. I'm glad I'm taking this trip because very soon I'll be heading back to Tunisia and it's very cold there. So I should enjoy the sun while I can. Alright, let's go. So I'm continuing the trip here where, which part this is? Coral. We're right outside Mobe. This is a friend of mine, Barry. Check it out, nice water. You guys could hear the cars passing. That's the highway right behind us here. So first stop, get us a party and then we head out.
First up, juicy beef.
Juicy beef. Alright, so we're on our way to Spanish Bridge, and as usual we stop here in this little area that's abandoned because it's so pretty. I'm pretty sure that's fabulous. Yeah, I walk down to the river where it gets narrow. Man, no matter how much time I come here, can't get enough of that. How pretty that is. Whoops! So pretty, but it's just a short stop before we head up the road to Spanish Bridge, man. Look how clean that water is. I've come here so many times I can never get enough of it. Although it's tempting, we're not going to swim because, you know, we won't have enough time to go Blue Hole. Blue Hole is a bit more intense, so, you know, you have to kind of walk up the falls and won't have enough time there. Here we are in Blue Hole / Island Gully. What happened there is a lot of Blue Hole falls because it's the same river, and people open up different places and they hassle you to go in. But I like to come up here because it's well kept, as you can see, and that's the major fall there, the Island Gully Falls or Blue Hole, anyone will do. Oh, look at that thing, man. Alright, we're at the top of that big waterfall. That's the top of it there. Alright, we went to the top, we did the massage, we did 1 or 2 jumps. Just going trying to join the nature. Okay, look at that behind us. Whew, I really miss this place. I haven't been here in so long. I think over a year. That's long for me. We're still in the Blue Hole or Island Gully Falls. If you look behind me, you'll see the big fall in the distance. and we walk down to where they do the rope swing into the pool. Really good so far. A lot of fun. Yeah, Island Gully. We did it, we're heading back up to the car. Woo! Need to go to the gym more. Yeah, we're in Priory and by the famous pudding shop. Or if you look there, those guys cooking the pudding right at the side of the road. So they're putting coals on the underneath, and if you look, they're putting coals on the on top.
So they call it hella top or hella bottom.
Hella top, hella bottom. Alright, as you can see the road right there, pudding cooking right there. It's very famous.
So what that pumpkin pudding? What that pumpkin pudding? Means in already.
Yo, one way for that. Yeah, they're going to be where should we tell them 15 minutes for? I'll start with them. What?
We're heading out from behind the pudding. Putting out the nice pudding shop. Yeah, boss. Yeah, boss. So we're heading out. Alright, so we stopped at a gas station on the way back. Just taking it easy, heading on the road. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember, if you like what you see, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright? Later.